We've come into homes that are in renovation or new builds, and people are just wanting some advice on just like really creating good organization for the way that their family works. And every family's a little bit different. Whenever I walk into a kitchen, I always check to see if all the lower ones are drawers, because that's like what you want for sure. I know it's more, but you're really gonna get your money's worth for something like that. I've walked into closets before that are brand new, beautiful homes, and they're just not functional at all. So it would be nice to get somebody like ourselves to come in right at the beginning to give some tips on just functionality and practicality of living in a home, because all the design stuff is very important, but so is this, because you want enough space for your pantry and for your family to have 5 different coats for one day, even in Saskatchewan, because we have such a variety of seasons, and so that mud room or the entry closet is really important as well.
Right.